welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Right now, as you can see, I'm about to dye my hair. That's the color right there. Vivid red. I'm going to do just a little touch up because I wanted to bring it out, get that pop going for my birthday. You feel me? Yeah. Eyebrows on fleek, lash on fleek. Let me see them nails. Nails on fleek. Girl, stop. Yep, I'm gonna put the glove on because I don't want the dye to get on my nails. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. I'm about to put this petroleum jelly. What is it? Mineral oil, Vaseline, or whatever you want to call it. I'm putting it around my edges so that the dye would not get on my skin. Yeah. That's what I'm about to do. So stay tuned, relax, and enjoy, man. Enjoy. Turn up later. So guys, right now I'm trying to dye my edge, make sure it get to the edges and get into the roots. I need it to come from the roots up. Yes, because your roots need to touch up more than everything. Okay, yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe.
So right now, guys, I'm gonna take this comb and comb the dye through. It's much easier for me since I cannot part my hair in four because it's not long enough. Yeah, that's what worked for me. And no, my hair don't fall out, it don't break afterwards. It's just evenly distribute the dye evenly all over my hair. Yeah. I'll be right back, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and wash it out, y'all. You see that? Yeah. I'm gonna wash it out now. Yeah. All right, y'all, so I washed out all the dye from out of my hair, and now I have a conditioner, and I'm about to comb the conditioner through my hair. I love the color that it came out. I don't want to break my hair off at all. So, see the color, y'all? Y'all see the color? So, comb through that conditioner. Now, don't worry about my eyebrows, okay? I need it dark like that so I can tone it down to the shade that I really want it to be. Okay? Yeah. And I'm gonna put some of this, where's it at? I'm gonna put some of this protein treatment in here too. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm just rubbing in that conditioner and protein treatment. I'm going to leave that in my hair until I finish packing and getting situated to head out the next day. Guys, guess what? It's my motherfucking birthday. What? It's my birthday, y'all. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. So yeah, right now, guys, what I'm doing is Friday, October the 28th. My motherfucking birthday. Scorpio gang in the building. Gang, 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 gang. Anyway, so I'm packing. Y'all, look at this. I am so ridiculous. And the thing is, this is only for the weekend, and I try to pack light. Like, I really did. And I think I did a good job. What you laughing for? What are you laughing for? I did a good job. Like, it's not a lot of stuff. I don't think so. Babe said it was, but no. I have an outfit for every day because your girl is gonna dress up every day. I don't care if the fit for the day is jeans and shirt. I am about to be dressed every day this weekend. Today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday. Let's get it. Yeah, so anyway, let me stop rumbling. I packed up everything. I got one suitcase for the clothes, my bags, underwears and stuff, and night clothes. This little one right here. It has our shoes. Yeah, all our shoes, hubby's shoes. He had extra when it comes to his Air Force Ones. He don't want them to get dirty, so that's why that trash bag is there. I'm about to go through my makeup. I was going to take my whole makeup box, but I'm like, no. I'm just going to go through and take out what I need and put it into my little Mary Kay traveling thing. Yeah, go ahead and do that. But first, I'm going to iron these jackets because they need to iron. This jacket and my blazer need to iron. People really don't iron these days. One of those person lives in my house. His name is Mr. Marsh. He do not iron. He did not like to iron. His iron is just flapping it in the wind, y'all. That's how he iron his clothes. He just take his clothes and just flap it in the wind. No, that's not happening around here. Hubby's at the barbershop getting his hair cut, and I'm here trying to finalize everything, guys. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna take y'all along as much as I can, because I do still want to enjoy myself. But you guys get it. Who get it, get it. Who no. You feel me? So that's what I am doing right now. It's your birthday. You can cry if you want to. You can dance if you want to. It's my party. I can cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. You would cry too if it happened to you. Yeah, and then also I got my bag with my equipment and everything. So yeah, this right here. So yeah, I will catch you guys later.